Alright folks, you see that light up there? That is actually a drone that comes out every evening. The other night, I didn't film it. See, it's coming towards us. And I got to witness it fly over me from one of my other windows that points this direction. I wish I knew what I was doing. I keep having to pan up and up and up more to track it. It's moving, as you're seeing on the horizon here. See, there's the Mary Aaron house, which started out above. And there's where it is now. Well, is it watching traffic? Is it watching the lake? What's going on? It's a damn shame that we can't obtain a legal jamming or some other nifty tools that look pretty easy to build, actually. I mean, a lot of people think this is an invasion of privacy. The drones can look right in your window. I hope they enjoy the show looking at me if they look in the windows. All right. Good night.